So today is day 9, and really what it was cleanup day. As you can see, we have a little bit of garbage that we pulled out from the backyard, the shed, and everywhere else to dispose of. The city will pick that up on Monday. So we cleaned out the planting beds as much as we could. We will clean them out more. It's just, we got all the leaves and junk out. All the branches from here were cleaned up. All the leaves that were there for many, many years were removed. Our dog is coming to say, neighbor's dog is coming to say hi to us. But if you look around, the driveway was clean, all the dirt that was there. The garage is clean. This back patio was cleaned off. As you can see, you couldn't even see that yesterday. But today we went in and cleaned it all up, scraped it. Now we're still going to spray it and fix it up, but at least now you can see that you actually have a patio. I did a little bit of gutter repair work. Still need to do some. As you can see, a couple of the brackets that I put in. But we did that. But the big thing that we did was clean. We hauled stuff all over the place. Branches, junk, as you can see from the outside. And sometimes you just get a house that has a lot of junk, and this one did. So that's day 9. Tomorrow is Sunday. So I am going to relax and order a few things, but we will be back at it Monday hard.